Hello, welcome to the RANsquawk US morning briefing for today, Wednesday 13th of January. US equities opened higher on Wednesday, though paired gains as renewed fears over Greece's financial problems and also hawkish comments from Fed's plotter weighed. The oil and gas sector was the worst performing in the S&P 500 as crude prices slid, and the weekly DOE inventory data revealed large builds across the board. The negative sentiment helped underpin the move higher in bonds and treasuries as the Bund Greek spread widened to a fresh record high, and some of that buying did also spill over into T-notes and gilts. Elsewhere, the dollar was weak early on, with the dollar index down around 0.6% at its low, however has since recouped some of the losses to trade down around 0.1% at last check. In terms of US equity specific news, have heard breaking headlines that Hershey is preparing a solo bid for Cadbury, according to reports in the Associated Press. This in turn is likely to put more pressure on Kraft, who have had their bid for the company turned down. In other Kraft related news, the company said full year earnings beat its forecast and reiterated that the company can deliver top tier performance with or without a takeover of Cadbury. Google is to end the controversial censorship of its search engine in China and risks being thrown out of the country following what it claimed were Chinese-based attempts to hack into its systems. Also for Devon Energy, their CEO has downplayed a suggestion that company could be targeted by an oil major. In terms of broker moves, Merck has been upgraded to outperform from neutral at Credit Suisse, Baidu upgraded to buy from hold at Deutsche Bank, and UPS upgraded to outperform from sector perform at RBC Capital. So looking ahead to the rest of the session, we'll be looking out for the Fed's Beige Book release later, and also the results of the $21 billion 10-year notes auction out of the US Treasury.